Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to AK Auto USA, your go-to channel for the most epic vehicle reveals, in-depth reviews, and insane automotive adventures that push the limits of what's possible on 4, 6, or in this case, way more wheels. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest in high-performance machines, overland beasts, and next-level vehicles that make everyday driving look boring. Today, we're diving headfirst into something absolutely mind-blowing, a concept that redefines what a motorhome can be. The 2026 Toyota Thunderstorm Motorhome, a rolling fortress built for extreme adventure without sacrificing luxury. Now let's get one thing straight, a true 12x12 wheel production motorhome from Toyota doesn't officially exist. But this concept is designed as a futuristic, extreme overland machine inspired by heavy-duty expedition trucks and military-grade platforms. Picture this beast rolling into view like it just came out of an action movie. Massive presence, aggressive stance, and built to dominate the harshest terrains on Earth. Instead of an unrealistic 12x12 setup, a more accurate configuration would be a 6x6 or 8x8 drivetrain, which is actually used in real-world heavy expedition vehicles. That still delivers insane traction, stability, and off-road capability, whether you're crossing sand dunes, rocky trails, deep mud, or snow-covered terrain. The exterior design is pure aggression, sky-high ground clearance reinforced. Armor-style body panels, heavy-duty steel bumpers with integrated winches, all-terrain off-road tires built for extreme grip, full LED light bars for night visibility, roof-mounted racks for gear, and storage protective grille design with bold, Toyota-inspired styling. This isn't just built to travel, it's built to survive anything nature throws at it. Step inside and the story completely changes, because now you're entering a luxury apartment on wheels. The interior features premium leather seating throughout a fully equipped kitchen with induction cooktops, fridge, sink, and storage, a spacious lounge area with comfortable sofas, a private bedroom with a king-size bed and smart storage solutions, a modern bathroom with shower and high-end fixtures, ambient lighting, and high-quality insulation for comfort in any climate. Panoramic windows and skylights bring in natural light, making the space feel open instead of confined. And then comes the tech, where this machine really stands out. Roof-mounted solar panels for off-grid power, large freshwater and fuel tanks for long-distance travel, smart control system for lighting, climate, and energy management, 360-degree camera system for maneuvering a vehicle. This large digital cockpit with touchscreen displays, support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, multiple terrain driving modes. Advanced safety systems including stability control and hill descent assist under the hood. A realistic setup would include a heavy-duty turbo diesel engine or hybrid system, producing massive torque easily in the range of 800 plus lb-ft, which is what you actually need for a vehicle of this size and weight. Power would be distributed through an advanced all-wheel drive system with locking differentials and adaptive suspension to handle extreme terrain while maintaining road comfort. This motorhome concept is designed for serious overlanders, long-distance explorers, content creators and filmmakers, adventure families, anyone who wants true off-grid luxury without limits. As for pricing, something like this, if ever built, would realistically sit in the $500,000 to multi-million-dollar range, depending on customization and technology. So what do you think about this ultimate overland machine? If you had this beast, where would you take it first? Deserts, mountains, or somewhere completely off the grid? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to AK Auto USA for more insane vehicle content. Stay adventurous, stay driven, and I'll catch you in the next one.